Hello everybody, welcome to Veena's Kitchen.com. I am Veena and we have Sharanya here. Today we will see how to make dahi curry in a microwave. So let's get started. To begin with, in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of yogurt. Into it, add 2 cups of water. I have measured the water and kept it. Into it, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste. And mix it well. Into it, add 2 tablespoons of bengal gram flour or besan into it. And mix them well so that no lumps are formed. Sharanya is going to mix it well. Okay, after mixing it well and nice, we will go ahead and pour it another dish and microwave it on high power for 10 minutes. I am going to pour this in a microwave safe dish and I will go ahead and microwave the yogurt for 10 minutes on high power. In another microwave safe dish, we will go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Yogurt. 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Yes. Yeah, and microwave it for about 2 minutes on high power. I will go ahead and microwave it for 2 minutes on high power. Alright, now it's been 10 minutes. Let us go ahead and take out the tampering from the microwave. Alright, the tampering is ready. After the tampering is done, pour in little curry leaves into it. Mix it well. Mix it well when it is very hot. We can also microwave it for another 1 minute. After cooking the yogurt and besan mixture for 10 minutes, it will start to boil. Take it out of the microwave and pour the tampering into the mixture. And mix it well. Uh, there you have it. Delicious dahi curry is now ready to be served. It tastes best when you serve it with. It tastes best when you serve it with steamed rice. What are you doing?
I'm smelling.
You're smelling. What?
I smell it.
Nice smell. Thank you. Well friends, that was microwave dahi curry. Please give it a try and tell me how it came out. Also do check out my website www.veenakitchen.com for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching Veena's Kitchen with Home.